Hello everyone. Today we are going to present our project which is known as SSS system, which is known as Smart Safety System. This system can implement a great change in our society. That means our vehicle which is equipped with this system can decrease the number of accidents happening in our society day by day to a great extent. In our system, we included many features. These features include SOS system, auto braking system, auto lighting system, then seatbelt recognition and door sensing. Implementing these features in a vehicle can reduce these major causing accidents to a very large extent.
In this vehicle, we have implemented an SOS system. This system alerts the surrounding when the vehicle is met with an accident. This is indicated by a buzzing sound or a flash of light in the surrounding. The second system that we have implemented in this vehicle is the seatbelt detection system. Nowadays, accidents are more due to lack of wearing seatbelts. To prevent that, we have used seatbelt detection method. In this method, when the person is not wearing his seatbelt, is not attaching his seatbelt, the vehicle doesn't start.
The system that we developed here is the smart braking system, and we also developed an application named as SSS, which is Smart Safety Application. And this application is devised to control the system via Bluetooth, and we can turn it activate it as well as deactivate it whenever required. And this system is that it prevents the vehicle from hitting an obstacle, and it detects the obstacle and moves away from it. Finally, this system that we developed here is the auto lighting system. That is, most of the accidents are caused by lack of lighting in the vehicle, and this system automatically enables the light whenever it's dark. So this system can definitely reduce the amount of accidents happening in our society. Finally, we present before you our SSS system, and I am Milton.
And I am Anish Yohannan.
And I thank you all for watching this video, and on behalf of our team, I thank the Ministra for giving us such an opportunity, and we hope you all have a smart, safe and happy life.